RealityCheck HVAC from Renesas, based on Reality AI software, uses advanced AI techniques running on the same MCU that's controlling your system. Hi, I'm Vin D'Agostino. Reality AI software promises to give you the intelligence you need to achieve this high level of uptime with greater confidence. Let's see how it works. There are a number of things that can go wrong in the life cycle of an HVAC system. With minimal instrumentation, the RealityCheck HVAC system can detect and analyze the following faults.
Starting with a properly working system, let's watch as we introduce some anomalies. First, we'll block the outdoor unit. Now watch as the technician removes some refrigerant. We will now block the indoor airflow by blocking the filter. Next, we'll show you an off-balanced fan. Finally, we'll introduce an uncategorized anomaly. These can be implemented separately or in combination with just a few function calls, depending on your product needs and available processor capacity.
The RealityCheck HVAC solution consists of a set of AI models for detecting conditions on the unit, a hardware reference design, and a firmware stack that's friendly with the RTOS of your choosing, or even a bare metal design. RealityCheck HVAC is compatible with any of the MCU or MPU product lines from Renesas.
AI can take many forms. In this case, it is an algorithmically driven application of advanced signal processing math to real-time sensor data streams. Machine learning is used here in two ways. First, to create the model used, and second, to use the model in real time. Reality AI software does this by automating feature selection and model construction to find the optimal balance of accuracy and resource consumption, then optimizing for embedded deployment. For RealityCheck HVAC, we use a combination of vibration and temperature sampled at a relatively high speed. The Reality AI algorithm determines how to translate that into predictions based on collected training data from data streams under multiple environmental and system conditions. In this video, we will be showing the AHRI standard 210/240 temperature and humidity conditions. The resultant model can work with a small inference engine running on an MCU or MPU without requiring a cloud connection.
The heart of any AI project, and the most critical part of its success or failure, is data collection. The old computer axiom, garbage in, garbage out, is even truer with machine learning.
Poorly conceived data collection is the #1 reason why projects are delayed, over budget, or fail. With RealityCheck HVAC, you have the option of collecting data yourself using a Reality AI data collection plan, or outsourcing data collection to the Reality AI team at Renesas. If you outsource data collection to Renesas, they will work with Optimized Thermal Systems, a well-known HVAC lab in Maryland on the East Coast of the United States. OTS operates a full climate-controlled HVAC test facility where different indoor and outdoor conditions can be simulated easily with a variety of loads. Supplementing lab-based data with actual data from the field is critical, both for model tuning and validation. Actual field-based data collection supplements the lab and can be facilitated using an edge node and data collection software from Reality AI. From that collection of data, the Renesas team will use Reality AI Tools software to create specific versions of their standard models for your specific HVAC units and capacities. In the end, you will have a set of customized models unique to your products and product requirements. The AI-based detection algorithm integrates with your code and runs directly on the same MCU you are using to give the HVAC system your unique functionality. The proof of the pudding, of course, is in the eating, and the final part of the development process is field testing the resultant models on your system in an extended field trial.
RealityCheck HVAC runs on Renesas MCUs and can be ported to any Renesas processor with sufficient available capacity, including processors used for device or motor control. Reality AI models are extremely compact and computationally efficient. So even with a full feature set, in most cases, they can run in the leftover capacity on the same processor as your HVAC controls. Adding AI-based process monitoring and predictive maintenance detection is a very small incremental cost with huge benefits. If you have a simpler base model control, it can be designed as a plug-in module and be an option. Of course, what you do with the resulting fault detection is part of your unique market value and can be different for different levels of product. Your lower-end products can just illuminate a light or put a message on the thermostat. Connected devices might send text messages, an app alert, or even automatically call for service with auto-dispatched replacement parts. Either on your own or with a bespoke service, RealityCheck HVAC can help your customers reduce downtime, add value to your product, and create new revenue streams. You can work with Renesas to incorporate RealityCheck HVAC to keep your product's uptime high for your customer, increasing customer satisfaction and loyalty, or introduce new services and product features on top of this capability. With RealityCheck's modular approach, you can pick and choose which system anomalies you'd like to detect and customize the associated functionality. If you're comfortable with data collection, it can be done in your own lab or in conjunction with Renesas and OTS.
Contact your local Renesas sales or FAE representative for more information or to arrange a demo of RealityCheck HVAC. You can also find more information and contact us at renesas.com/realityai.